Is your WordPress site being bombarded by unwanted visitors or bots? And maybe you are in the search of an effective way to tighten your site's security. Well, let me tell you that you are in the right place today, as in this video, I'll walk you through not one or two, but 3 straightforward methods to block IP addresses in WordPress. So, trust me, by the end of this tutorial, you will not only have the tools to keep those troublemakers out, but also the confidence to manage your site security like a pro. Now, let's not waste any more time and quickly jump in to safeguard your WordPress site from unwanted intruders. First up, let's explore using FTP method to block IP addresses. And yes, don't you worry if you're not familiar with FTP, as it's nothing but just a quick way to access and manage your site's files effectively. To begin, you will need to download an FTP client like FileZilla from its official website. For your information, it's free, reliable and super easy to set up. Once downloaded, it's time to quickly connect in with your credentials, which you can easily get from your hosting provider. Once connected, simply head to the folder where your website files are stored. We need to get there just so we could find our .htxs file. For most users, this will be the public_HTML folder. However, in my case, it's located in the web apps. Then pause with YouTube. And here it is, our .htxs file. Also, just in case if it's not visible to you, just go ahead and adjust your FTP settings to make sure all the hidden files are available. Now, before making any edits into this, save a backup of this .htxs file into your computer. This will ensure that if anything goes sideways, you would be able to restore the original file easily. Moving ahead, let's quickly open the file with the text editor and add this following code at the top. That's it. Here, now all you have to do next is just replace the placeholder with the IP address you want to block, and the moment you will do that, the job will be done. Moreover, additionally, in case you need to block more IPs, that of course many of the viewers here would want to, simply add more deny from lines like these. And once you're done, save the file, close the editor, come back, and then click yes. Set. And just like that, those unwanted IPs will be out of your way, and now you can get that peaceful nap of yours knowing the fact that those troublemakers will not be bothering you anymore. Saying that, let's keep the momentum going with another method, the title of which is blocking IPs using a security plugin. Alright, let's say you are not comfortable using FTP. So, what can you do instead? Well, don't stress about it, because I'm going to recommend a tool that not only lets you edit the .htxs file right from the WordPress backend, but also comes with an additional feature to ban IP addresses without touching any code. Yes, the tool we are talking about is all-in-one WP Security. And let me tell you this, it's super powerful, handy and one user-friendly plugin which will simplify managing your site security without requiring any technical know-how. And here's the best part, we will go through both the features it has to offer for blocking IPs. This way, hopefully you will be able to choose the method that works best for yourself. Now, let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins. Here, click on add new plugin and search for all-in-one WP Security. Once you see it, simply click on install now, then activate. Once activated, you will notice a new menu item has been added into the side panel called WP Security. Quickly go ahead, hover over it and click settings. Set. Now as clear as daylight, you will find the section namely .htxs file right here. So entering it. Next, focus here on this button labeled backup.htxs. Simply make use of it to download htxs file to your computer, and once it's done, quickly open it in a text editor and follow the same steps as in the FTP method, that is adding the code to block the IP addresses. Done! Now, after you have also made your changes, save the file and next return to the WordPress backend. Then below it right here, you will see an option to upload the updated .htxs file. Click choose file, find the edited file in your computer. There it is. Move ahead to select it. And now, once you're sure as well that this only is our edited file, click on this open button to finally upload it. That's it. The job is done. Moving further, now as mentioned before, let me also show you the second feature within this plugin itself, through which as well you can block unwanted IPs. This feature is called Blacklist Manager, and let me tell you that this method will be super ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a no-fuss solution. For it, within the WP Security menu itself, find the Blacklist Manager section. In the past, it used to show here in the sidebar only, but in the current update, we will have to move to firewall, then block and allow lists, and here on scrolling a bit down, you could clearly see this IP hosts and user agents blacklist settings. Plus, as you can notice, here is the field in which we can directly input the IPs we want to block. So, I'm gonna add few quickly, and now, finally after adding the required IPs, once we hit on save to confirm settings, the plugin will quickly apply all the restrictions automatically. So, that was it. Just a while ago, you witnessed the processes in this plugin, which will ensure that your changes are applied seamlessly, while keeping everything managed within your WordPress site. Now, let's move on to the last method, which is by far the easiest one. And don't get surprised, as for it, you will not require any kind of plugin or FTP. Now, let me tell you that this approach is especially useful for blocking spammers and bots into your comment section. For it, all you have to do is here in the WordPress dashboard, head over to settings section in the side panel, then discussion, and here simply scroll down to its subsection called disallowed comment keys. In this field, you can input IP addresses one per line. Once added, all the users from these IPs will be blocked permanently from posting comments onto your WordPress site. Now adding to it, while this method is more specific to managing spams in discussions, it's also a quick and built-in way to add an extra layer of protection without plugins or file editing. So, if your primary concern is controlling comments only, this option is going to be perfect for you. So, there you have it. 3 effective ways to block IP addresses in WordPress. Whether you prefer the hands-on approach with FTP, the control of editing files within WordPress, or the simplicity of using a plugin, you now have all the tools to keep your site secure. Now, if you have any questions or tips of your own regarding this topic, drop a comment below. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that little bell icon so you never miss out on upcoming amazing tutorials like this. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay secure.